Oh, it's dark. Oh, what's up, gang? We're going on a backpacking trip with the old BMW. I gotta stop by CVS, grab some essentials, and then we out 1.5 hours north. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, we in the fast lane. Yo, my car made it over the Tappan Zee. No way, look at this. We're cruising at 85 and we have 20 MPGs. That's the most I've ever seen in this car. In the city it gets like 12. But on the highway we cruising. Dude, it's so smooth at 85. Oh my god, this is awesome. Look at me go. And we got Scal chilling. Yeah. Have you ever loved? Would you go again? Don't be down when it's over. I made it. All right, we are packing up. We're basically gonna do it right here in the Price Chopper parking lot. Yeah, we're gonna sort this out and I'll see you again at, I guess, the trailhead. Maybe when we have our bags on. What's up, gang? We got our backpacks on. As you can see, my car made it and her car made it. Ooh, we got a little smudge right there. It's raining, but what are you gonna do? Adventure doesn't stop with a little bit of falling rain. All right, the trail's somewhere that way. I gotta check. Yeah, so this is the start. The cars are literally right there. But yeah, check out this stream. Ooh. All right. This bridge feels really soft and weird. All right, we're about 1.5 miles maybe in. Found this quarry. I think that's what they call this, the quarry.
Look at the chair.
Oh, there's so many chairs. This is cool. This is snake territory, so just look out. All right, 1.5 miles in, we found a little lean-to to hang out in. We're gonna eat our sandwiches now. Yeah, check this out. Well, it's really unmaintained, but the trail goes right through this campsite. It's just super convenient.
This is perfect because my pants are getting wet, and maybe this will just give me a second to de-soakify myself. Oh, baby!
We're almost halfway. It is wet. All right, we've reached the flat section, so I think the uphill is over. I think. Hopefully we can sit up pretty close to the lake, because that'd be nice, but since it's raining, we might want to find some trees to hang up a tarp instead.
Hi.
Hi.
We are trucking along. I don't know how far along we are, but
I think we have less than 1 mile left, maybe.
we're just going. Like, I'm not even worried about how long we have left.
That's good, because we overpacked. But this is like our first real backpacking trip.
It is. It's going great so far, I'd say.
Oh yeah.
Feeling strong.
Easy for you to say. You don't have any of the water on you.
That is true.
No, I'm just
I
kidding.
do forget that your bag is considerably heavier.
Yeah, I got like a gallon. An extra gallon on top of like the 6 water bottles. Or I did put like, I think I just have 4 water bottles in the gallon.
Yeah. I kind of want to hold your bag just to feel how much heavier it is.
Yeah, we'll do it at the site.
Yeah, I'll do it at the site for sure.
Each time we backpack, we'll have a new upgrade. The absolutes that we need is a tent and a lighter cookware, not my giant iron skillet.
Yeah, that thing is like, that would be like 10 pounds.
Yeah, I'm carrying all the heavy stuff because I don't want her to carry anything heavy. Yeah. Anyway, the trail has been flat for a while, so it's easy to vlog and hike at the same time. About a mile left.
About?
Yeah, looks.
More left.
We see the lake. The lake is right behind those trees and the lean-to. It turns out there's a lean-to literally right next to the lake, which is as perfect as it gets because the original plan was to like hang up a big tarp in case it was raining, gather a bunch of firewood to get it to start drying, and it was just gonna be like a whole, oh,
Whoa.
Almost rolled my ankle.
Jeez.
It was gonna be like a whole mess and a half, so I'm glad it doesn't have to be like that.
It's only 5:30.
It's only 5:30. Yeah, we're crazy. We started at 3 p.m. because it was a road closure, so we had to take the long way around. Not even that. I woke up at 11 a.m. Wow. Check it out in the fog.
There's loons.
What?
There's loons in the water.
What are those?
Or swans.
Loons?
I think they're loons.
I never heard of loons.
You've never heard of a loon?
No.
They're one of the coolest sounding birds you'll ever hear.
Really?
We'll see if they are or not. They kind of look like swans though, actually.
There is a cooking grate.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh my god, and there's stuff here.
Is this like a... There's your microwave.
What the heck?
So gorgeous.
No one's here because it's raining. We're the only psychos that hike at this time.
Oh my gosh, let's go down to the water.
Looks like there's a trash bag here.
Yeah. Oh, look at that leaf. Or not, that's not a leaf, that's a feather. Look at that giant feather.
Someone left hot dog buns and onion.
Look at that giant feather.
Holy shark.
That's gonna be like an eagle feather and a hawk feather.
That is massive.
That is large.
What the heck? Wow. Woo! Fire going. All the wood is wet, but luckily there's this big dead branch that was left here. It's already very dead. The inside's kind of dry because the outer bark seems like kind of water resistant. Anyway, I've been breaking that up small and it's actually drying out and burning out. The fire going.
Hell yeah. Only took like, what, 2 hours?
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, so much smoke in my eyeballs.
Yeah, that do be happening. Yeah, so we cooking here. Hell yeah. See. Whoa, look at this. You want some soup?
That's all you, baby.
My GoPro. You okay? You okay, guys? We are drying gloves and stuff. Wow, it is really dark on camera.
Really?
Yeah.
It is really dark outside. Can't see the lake anymore.
Yeah. I can still see the trees a little. The camera can't, though. It is the morning. We did not get a good night's rest. It was windy and rainy. We woke up a few times in the middle of the night. It's 9 a.m. about. We're gonna pack up. We were hoping originally to start a fire to cook some food, but scratch that. It's gonna be raining until I think 10 or 11, so whatever. We have enough cereal bars and nuts to eat, so we'll do that. A lot of crazy noises last night. I heard an owl. That was kind of freaky. Ooh, is that a cell phone tower? There's a cell phone tower in the... I don't know if you can see that. There's a cell phone tower right there. That's pretty cool. Got no cell service out here. Anyway, we're gonna go take down the bear bag together. Got my new glow-in-the-dark neon green paracord.
Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Don't put that in.
Tent is packed. Our bags are lighter because we ate food and drank the water. Let's see, what time is it? 10:30. Better than 11 o'clock, which I said yesterday. All right, gang. We out of this mother. All right. We have about 4 miles to get back to the car.
Should be easier than the way here.
Should be. Honestly, I don't need all these goddamn hoods. I'm about to start sweating for sure. Shed some layers. I just took off my rain jacket, really. That was like insulating all the heat really well. I'm cold though, because we stopped moving. I think we're almost at the top of this silly hill. It's only a half mile uphill, but man, it is hitting hard. Once we hit the flat, whew, smooth sailing from there. This is good.
Yo, this is sick.
Is that the Hudson River? It's gotta be.
Yeah, that's the Hudson. You want a snack?
Yes. There's the lean-to we stopped at on the way in. Ah, yes, just how we left it. Can I fit through this? Yeah.
Take fit.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Cool.
We have made it back to the starter bridge. Let's go. Let's hope we don't have a ticket, which I doubt. Let's go. That's gonna end this vlog here. We're gonna go get McDonald's. Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
All right, catch you in the next one.